Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll teach you how to make a number guessing game in Python. So a number guessing game is a game where the computer chooses a random number between 1 and 100. And you have to choose what is that number. Also, the computer will give you tips. Okay, let's start. First, we're going to import random. Next, we're going to explain. Hello, player. It's me, the computer. I have a number in my mind, and it's between 1 and 100. Good luck. Now let's choose a number. I'll choose PC. Oh no. Need to guess is equal random dot randint between 1 and 100. Wait, 1 and 100. Now we'll do guess is equal input nothing. So we need to repeat this in a loop. While wait, I'll set guess to 0 first. Guess is equal 0. So while true, wait, no, I'll set guess to 1. While guess is bigger than 0, while guess is not equal to need to guess. Oh, equal to. We're going to do this. So if guess is equal is smaller than need to guess, then print too low. But if guess is bigger than need to guess, then print too high. I'll put this between parentheses, columns. Okay, but if the guess is exactly need to guess, then print. Wait, I'll just do something. True. So print F congrats the number was need to guess. Okay, I'll get back to download the app and see how the game looks. So here's the game. Hello player, it's me, the computer. I have a number in my mind and it's between 1 and 100. Good luck. I'll guess 50. Oh, just wait. I'm going to fix this. So both of these variables aren't actually int. So guess is equal int guess. Sorry for annoying you. Anyways, let's run. Here it is. So 50. Fine. Need to guess is, wait, I'll copy this. I'll delete it. Now add the input. I'll paste this. Let's see what happens. 50 maybe? Too low. About 70. Too low. 80. Too high. It's between 80 and 70. 79. 78. 77. 76. 75. 74. Hey. Anyways. 73. Oh, another bug. Sorry again. I forgot. Anyways, last test. 50. Too low. 60. Too low. 70. Too low again. 80. Too low. 90. Too low. 100. Too high. 99. Too high. 98. Congrats, the number was 98. I hope you have a nice day. If you love this game, then subscribe to my channel. Goodbye guys, and scratch on.